Welcome to the Old Coins Explorer. Here we are exploring the hidden values of old and valuable coins. What if I told you there's a coin that's more than just spare change? A coin that silently tells a powerful story of leadership, national pride, royal history, and modern transformation. Sounds crazy, right? But it's true. I'm talking about the 2016 Saudi Riyal coin featuring King Salman. It's not just metal, it's meaning. And trust me, this isn't just a coin review. This is about how one small piece of currency carries a whole country's identity and ambition in the palm of your hand. So stick around. You're about to discover why this coin is more valuable, interesting, and collectible than you think. Let's start with the basics. What is this coin and why should you care? In 2016, Saudi Arabia introduced a fresh series of coins. And this wasn't some ordinary upgrade. This was a new era in design, launched under the leadership of a new king, King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud. Whenever a new ruler takes charge, the country often updates its currency to reflect the change. But this time, it wasn't just about changing the face. It was about modernizing the look, the message, and even the materials. So when this one Riyal coin entered circulation, it instantly became a marker of transition, a symbol that something new had started. It was a proud introduction of the new leadership and a polished reflection of national strength and stability. Let's dive into the design, because this coin's got style. On the front, the most noticeable element is a portrait of King Salman. His face is finely detailed, serious, and dignified. Around the portrait is an inscription identifying him with his full royal title. Now, even though we're not including the original wording here, it basically translates to him being the custodian of the two holy mosques, a title that shows his religious authority and role as a spiritual leader in the Muslim world. This makes the coin much more than just about currency. It's tied directly to national identity and religious leadership. Now flip it over, and the details keep stacking up. On the back of the coin, you'll see the denomination clearly marked, 1 Riyal. It's shown in both English and Arabic, with the year 2016 marked alongside the Islamic calendar year, which is 1438. This double dating system is typical in Saudi currency and gives the coin historical context in both the modern and Islamic worlds. But the visuals don't stop there. The background includes floral patterns and the national emblem of Saudi Arabia. That emblem, a palm tree over two cross swords, says a lot without words. The palm tree stands for prosperity, while the swords represent strength and defense. Put together, it's a reminder that the country is rooted in peace but ready to protect itself. What's it made of? Not your average coin. This coin is bimetallic, which means it's made from two different types of metal. That's already more advanced than most coins. The outer ring is gold-colored and made of brass-plated steel. The inner circle is silver-colored and made from nickel-plated steel. This combination gives the coin a sleek, polished look, and also makes it more secure against counterfeiting. Plus, it gives it a heavier feel, making it stand out in your hand or pocket. Here are some quick specs. Diameter, 23.0 millimeters. Thickness, 1.8 millimeters. Weight, 5.75 grams. Edge, smooth. It's comfortable to hold, yet solid and sturdy. And that's exactly how it was meant to feel, durable, dependable, and well-made. Here's a fun twist. This coin was minted in France. Yup, not what you'd expect, right? Even though it's Saudi currency, these coins were actually produced by the Paris Mint, also known as Monnaie de Paris. This mint is one of the oldest in the world, and known for its high-quality coin production. So while the design is all Saudi, the precision and manufacturing had a little help from Europe. This fusion of local meaning and international craftsmanship gives the coin an even more unique appeal. What about rarity? Could this coin be worth more than face value? Here's the interesting part. While this coin isn't super rare, like a century-old silver coin, it has significant collector appeal for a few reasons. It marks the first coin issue under King Salman. It's part of a complete redesign series. It's beautifully bimetallic and stands out in any collection. It ties into a major political and social transition. On platforms like eBay, you can find these coins selling for anywhere between $6 to $10 US, especially in uncirculated or mint condition. That's not bad for something originally worth just 1 rial. Collectors who focus on Middle Eastern coins, royal portraits, or modern state transitions are especially interested in it. And as time goes on, and if there's another redesign, the value could very well increase. Let's talk about the king behind the coin. King Salman isn't just a symbol. He's a major figure in Saudi history. Born in 1935, he became king in 2015, but his leadership experience goes way back. He served as a governor of Riyadh for nearly 50 years, overseeing its development from a modest desert town into one of the region's most powerful capitals. Under his rule, Saudi Arabia has witnessed cultural and economic reforms, including giving more rights to women, opening cinemas, expanding tourism, and investing in massive futuristic projects like NEOM, a city being built from scratch using advanced technologies and sustainability principles. All that ambition, this coin was part of the introduction. In conclusion, this coin tells a royal story. It's easy to underestimate coins. They're small. They're common. We barely look at them. But sometimes they speak louder than we expect. This 2016 1 Saudi Riyal coin is more than just money. It's a symbol of leadership, pride, transition, and ambition. It connects the past with the present and points toward a vision of the future.